Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Friday. Today I thought I would come on and share with you. I got a new Crochet World Magazine in. This is for spring, which that's what we should be working on right now. And am I? Not really, but okay. I guess this is my way of saying, let's go, Teresa, get into spring. But yeah, I'm done with winter, so spring is okay with me. Um, but I wanted to share with you what's in the new Crochet World magazine. I love this magazine. I love every pattern that's in it. I've never been disappointed with one single issue. Um, but I wanted to share with you what's in this month's or this quarter's magazine. They have a variety of home decor and wearables and different things, but I really like these. Are pretty hanging baskets. Something for Easter. This cute little bunny called Petra Bunny. And then they've got a lot of doilies in this one, which I love doilies, but here's this one. I thought that was really pretty. Let's see what else. What's another one? They've got a hooded um, little hooded well, it looks like a hoodie, really. I think I'd like to make that. That looks nice and warm. Excuse me. Let's see what else. Oh, this doily's pretty. A lot of really nice stitches. Here's another one. Like I said, this issue's got mostly doilies in it, which is right up my alley. I love making doilies. Here's one that's a butterfly. Isn't that pretty? And let's see. What else do we have? Then we've got this. It's called the Spring Breeze Afghan. That's pretty. I love that lace work that's going down through it. Let's see. And this one too, the Garden Afghan. I think it's very pretty. I don't have a lot of springy Afghans that I can pull out. Need to make some of these. That one's nice. Oh, look at that one. That's called the Scrap Bargello Afghan. Bargello Afghan. And then we have the Wild Rose set. This is it's a dishcloth and scrubby. So you got your dishcloth and your scrubby right there. That's pretty. Uh, Special Stitches washcloth. Huh. It's called the Hump Single Crochet. Uh, you work in the back bar to make that stitch. I don't know if you can see that or not. Huh. That's pretty. Never heard that one. Let's see. Oh, cute little. This is an octopus mitt that your kids can use when they take a bath. Cute. Let's see. Oh, and I really need to make these because I have blinds and they're so hard to clean. But this is a mini blind cleaner. You can see how she puts her fingers in there. That's pretty cool. I think it's, let's see, what is it made with? Premier Home Cotton. Um, the Swiffer pads. That's a cute pattern. And a dusting mitt, all for that spring cleaning. Let's see. Oh, now we're getting into wearables here. Lacy, lovely lacy cardigan. That's pretty. Here's a better picture of it. That's really cute. Let's see. Watercolor waves poncho. Ooh, very pretty. That's very pretty. Let's see. What else? This is a cute bag. I love this. Dancing Waters tote. Isn't that cute? You can always use a new tote bag. Sweet Morning Shawl. That's pretty. Soft lavender cardigan. They've really got some beautiful wearables in this issue. Oh, there's the back of it. That little diamond pattern on the back. That's cute. Strawberry Ripple Throw. Let's see. The Darling Delights wrap. I mean, gorgeous. I'm not a big person on fringe, but that's pretty. Whoop. Aw, little fleece teddy bear. Cute. I think I have that yarn. I think I have some of that yarn. Let's see. Cinnamon roll coasters. How cute is that? Very cute. And then a corner cake basket. I've got a lot of loose little recipe cards that I could put in that in my kitchen. And let's see, the textured, I think there's a couple more. Textured Tunisian for icing Tunisian throw. I still have not mastered Tunisian. I need more practice. I just cannot get that to save my life. I cannot get the tension right. Cotton candy tunic and cowl. There's the tunic. And there's a picture with the cowl. Let's see if there's another picture in here. I don't know if there's another picture or not. A little bit of a look there. Right there. That's pretty. But that is it. That's what's in the new issue of Crochet World. And I also got a Hirschner catalog in. Right now, till the end of this month, they've got $4.95 flat rate shipping if you use code FR49524. So FR495, I'll put that code in the description box in case anybody wants to use it if you haven't gotten your Hirschner's catalog yet. But you can go to the website, $4.95 if you use FR49524 on orders of over 35 or more. So you have to have a minimum $35 and then you can use that code. So cool. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and share that magazine with you. And yeah, I've got several things earmarked in there. As I do with all my crochet magazines that I'm never going to get to. So we'll see how many of those I get made. But anyway, I hope you have a fabulous Friday. We never did all the icy mix that we were supposed to have gotten went completely north of us. So we didn't get any of it. So anyway, it's supposed to stay cold this weekend, but then it's supposed to start warming up next week, and it's supposed to be up to 60 by next weekend. So all the snow will be gone by next weekend. Anyway, but we lucked out. We didn't get the ice, so thank goodness. And we're just kind of hanging out today and staying warm. So I hope you guys have a fabulous Friday. Thanks for watching. If you've watched all the way to the end, and you would like to see more of Critters Crochet, I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you the weekend I spend with family, so I won't be back on again till Monday. So I will see you guys again on Monday. Have a fabulous weekend. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Talk to you soon. Bye.